Hi June, hope you are doing well. So I'm going to get started here with my final presentation on Jacobson Wealth Management. Alrighty. So about us, we are Jacobson Wealth Management and we are an investment firm in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. And our company originated in 2019 after our broker, Paul Jacobson, had gone out by himself and left Morgan Stanley, where he worked for 25 plus years. He's been in the industry for over 30 years and he decided he wanted a little more flexibility, so he started to work with Cambridge Investment Research, which he does all of his trading through, but he is an individual broker now and has his own office in Sheboygan, which I work at. So we offer financial planning as well as individual investment portfolios. So anywhere from your Roth IRAs to your joint accounts, we can transfer over to Cambridge and help you individualize your portfolios that way, or you can open a new account with us. So for our website, I kind of had the layout just in my notebook from class, but these are the main tabs that would show at the top of our website. So we have home, and then we'd have a description of Jacobson Wealth Management. We would also have a call to action, which would say give us a call at 920-453-0179 for a free consultation. Then we'd also have our history under the home page. And for some of our SEOs, we would have investment services in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. And then under About Our Firm, we will have our team tab under there as well, which will include my bio, which I will go over in a future slide, as well as Paul's bio. And we'll also have pictures of each of us under this tab as well. And then we have our Client Center tab, which will include our NetX 360 link for clients to log on, and then our CIR statements link as well, which could also be SEOs. And then we will have additional information to help our clients log into those portals as well, and a phone number to call if they get stuck. And then for contact us, we will have our phone number, both of our email addresses listed, the address of our office, which Paul encourages clients to stop in whenever they'd like. And if he's with a client or assisting another client, I can try to help where I can. And then we have our Insights tab, which will discuss individual investment advice, as well as student investments, what happens if I win the lottery or I receive a large inheritance, what can I do? And then what happens, how do I prepare for retirement? And then also what happens once I'm retired? How do I know I'm going to have enough money? What will my lifestyle be like in retirement? These are all things that we'll cover in our insights as well. And then to go over some of our SEOs, so we would have individual investments, portfolio in Sheboygan, and this could be linked throughout our website. Sheboygan Investments, Merzberger Financial Group, which would be under the About Our Firm tab that I showed on the last slide. Individual investment advice Sheboygan, student investments, that'd be under the Insights tab. Lottery inheritance Sheboygan, again under the Insights tab. And then retirement in Sheboygan, lifestyle in Sheboygan, and Cambridge Investment Research. Cambridge Investment Research would be under About Our Firm and also our Client Center tab. So for our socials, we're still working to get our website up, but that is one of our big priorities. And then we'll have the layout that I previously showed. Then we want to work on Facebook, secondly. Make sure we have that up and running. A lot of our current clientele uses Facebook pretty often, but then we also want to reach the younger generations through Instagram. I think that'd be a really great platform for us to expand, which we have to always keep in mind. And then LinkedIn, we currently use, and a lot of our clients are involved in that platform as well. It's really helpful for our day-to-day, whatever we need. We can find some of our business partners on LinkedIn, or just great contacts for us to have as we are kind of discovering what it takes to run an office and all of the new responsibilities you take on in doing so. And then we also have Twitter. I think that that would be a great place where we could get out some quick information, some quick bursts. And as far as the time right now, I think it'd be something that people would like to see. It'd be a good way to update people as well. We may not have a lot of people following us, but that is something that we could build upon as well. And then some other possibilities for inbound marketing, we could start a blog. I think that it would be kind of fun to work on a blog, and it would be a great way for some Q&A and another way to drive traffic to our website as well. And then for direct marketing, email marketing is something that we could definitely take advantage of. We don't want to spam any of our clients or potential clients, but it's a great way to reach a large amount of people. So for some of our content, our copy for our website, for example, on our homepage, we'll have our history, and it would read Jacobson Wealth Management is an individual investment firm founded in 2019, located on the beautiful riverfront of Sheboygan, Wisconsin. Our primary goal is to help our clients organize their financial lives by providing individual investment portfolios as well as financial planning. Jacobson Wealth Management exists for one purpose: to provide professional, personal service and recommendations that are aligned with our clients' most deeply held values and goals. And then about our firm, I had turned in this portion as well. So on our website, under our team, we'd have Paul, and he is the president and a financial advisor at our firm. So for more than 32 years, he's provided clients with customized portfolios tailored to their individual goals, and he constructs customized portfolios that consist of carefully analyzed and selected individual stocks. So we can really individualize whatever you're passionate about. If you love animals, there are so many stocks out there that have research for new medications for a really common condition that most animals come into the vet for, is something with their skin, allergies, things like that. Whatever you personally stand for, we can definitely look into those options and what's out there for you, so that you're really supporting stocks and companies that you believe in, not just any stock. And then he's always been curious and has loved investments. So this is not really a profession for him. He does consider himself a professional, but he just really loves what he does, and it doesn't really seem like a job. And then another page for our copy, this would be under our team as well, would be Hope Jacobson, which is myself, and I'm a client services specialist. And I've been with Jacobson Wealth Management since 2019, and I plan to graduate from LTC in the spring with a marketing degree. And I assist Paul in online account opening, product research, maintenance of client accounts and making sure deadlines are met and just managing the daily workflow as well. And I live in Sheboygan, Wisconsin, and I enjoy outdoor activities such as downhill skiing, running, and walking my dog, Nova. So all three of these last slides will be copy that will be going on our actual website. And then some of our example postings. So we have a Facebook post over here for Jacobson Wealth Management with why wait to invest, just a very simple question that kind of gets people thinking and gets some engagement with our Facebook page. And then over here we have an Instagram post which reads, "Save for your child's future by opening a Roth IRA with us here at Jacobson Wealth Management," and then our logo. And then for a more in-depth post, I have here in the middle a Facebook post for our group page, which would read, "Many people have the common misconception that you have to be wealthy to invest. Any amount of money can set you up for a future you desire, and compound interest can make thousands of dollars turn into millions. So join our team as we manage your money together. With 30 plus years of experience, our guided investment can set you up for a future you deserve. Call us to set up a free complimentary consultation. Why wait?" All right, and that concludes my presentation. I'm really looking forward to actually moving forward with all of these implementations and having these services available for our clients is really exciting, and we welcome new investors from all around the country. So thank you.